I'm the lady that starts cooking when my husband leaves work, giving myself 30 minutes on the clock. But today we're all home. I worked today, got home not that long ago. Whole family's here. They're over here. Moral support. We're having one of our favorite meals, chicken, broccoli, and rice. I'm still going to see if we can get this done in about 20 minutes. On my burner with a small pan, I have the whites of a green onion and about a tablespoon of oil that I'm heating up. I want those onions to get nice and fragrant. And then I also have one gigantic chicken breast that is marinating in some soy sauce, oyster sauce, and then a little bit of baking soda to tenderize. That's the trick. I'm gonna go wash my hands and I'll come back to show you the rest. Now that these onions are nice and fragrant and just starting to get a little crispy, I'm adding in 1 cup of rice. I'm using basmati tonight and I did rinse this. All the rice police out there that have come for me on a few of my videos where I said I don't rinse rice. I mean, I don't rinse rice all the time. Starts to heat up, and then we're gonna add in 2 cups of water, a really nice big pinch of salt. We're gonna bring this to a boil.
Delicious, nutritious, snackable fun. Who's over here going, you know what's fun? We're gonna stack some dehydrated seaweed.
I cooked the chicken for, I don't know, 4 or 5 minutes until it was nice and crispy and cooked almost all the way through. Starting out with a half of a yellow onion and some carrot that I just julienned, plus all the onion that I dropped all over here. Cook this for 5 minutes. I like a little bit softer carrot versus a crunchy carrot, probably because we have a toddler and I just like softer carrots for her. I tried to record making this sauce, but it was chaotic. There's a little bit over a cup of chicken broth, a bit of rice wine vinegar. I have some oyster sauce, soy sauce in here. Going to finish it off with some white pepper. Ooh, and I did put some brown sugar in here too, just to balance. If you have dark soy sauce, you can use that as well. Next, I'm adding in some broccoli that I steamed last night in the microwave. It was just a frozen bag. This isn't ideal. Probably best to use fresh broccoli or make a fresh steamer. But if you have leftover steamed broccoli that doesn't have a lot of seasoning on it, this is a great second use for it. If you're working on open cup drinking with your toddler like we are, these are the perfect milk cups or open cup drinking. No, this isn't yogurt. It isn't a yogurt container because who can get rid of these jars? They're just the cutest thing ever. This is just 1 tablespoon of cornstarch with a tablespoon to 2 tablespoons of water that I've mixed together for my slurry. Our vegetables are perfect. So we're gonna add in our sauce and add back in our chicken. Be sure not to leave behind any juice. Stir this together, let it warm up, and let your vegetables start to soak into all that sauce. I'm gonna give this probably 2 or so minutes. My carrot cuts aren't perfect, but this is the amount of crunch you're looking for. So it's a good bite, but it's not raw. It's soft enough for a baby with molars. Not a baby, a toddler with molars. Last thing that we're gonna do is add in our slurry. Start with about half of this. You can always add more, but you can't take it out. This is where you start to get that really glossy sauce. Oh yeah, it's perfect. Yeah, we're good. Check this out, it's so perfect. Rice takes 20 minutes. I don't think I said that. I could just eat a bowl of this rice. Layer of our chicken and vegetables. Be sure to get a good bit of sauce. And then I'm gonna add some green onion. Should I embarrass myself and take my first bite with chopsticks? I'm going to. Then I need everybody to tell me how to improve. It's the best. 20 minutes, pops. Once you figure out what sauce combination you like, it's so easy. Thanks for sticking around through the chaos.